Welcome to Japan.
Balik na kami ng Japan. Ito mga kaganapan sa loob ng aeroplano. Ayan, ang sasakyan namin ay Cebu Pacific. Ayan. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo sa labas ng Ninoy International. Malapit ng mga aeroplano.
Pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats. Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
Tapos ng aming bakasyon sa Pilipinas, kaya balik na kami ng Japan. Bye-bye, Philippines! Ayan, paalis ng aming sasakyan. Bye-bye, Philippines! Hindi ko alam kailan tayo ulit makakauwi. Ayan, ma-under na. Natatanaw pa naman ang buong Pilipinas. Wala pa kami sa taas. Ayan, ang ganda ng kapaligiran ng Pilipinas. Yan, kain muna tayo. Ang pagkain namin, ayan, hamburger to. Ang aking beautiful daughter, si Mia. Sama ko sa Philippines. Nagutom kami dahil maaga pa lang umalis na kami sa bahay para makapunta sa airport. Bilang mga bagahe, pila rin. Ito, relax sa pagsakay sa aeroplano. Tapos na kumain. Tapos magpapahinga na kami dahil gabi na dito. Ayan, pahinga na. Ayan, ang labas ng Japan naman. Ayan, yun ang Japan. Nakarating kami ng gabi na sa Japan. Ang ganda, oh. Puro ilaw.
Tulog pa lang ako. Next station.
Tahimik sa loob ng airplane. Kapatid ilaw hanggang sa patulog. Ako, ano yung magaling? nandito na tayo sa Japan, sa Narita Airport.
For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a serious offense. Also, for passengers who requested for wheelchair assistance, please be advised that you will
Nakababa na kami. Hindi ko na nakukunan ng masyadong mahaba at very busy naman sa paglalakad. Ayan, nandito na kami sa Narita Airport. At pupunta naman kami sa aming mga bagahe. Shoutout po sa aking mga subscriber. Sa hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, pa-subscribe naman po. Like, comment. Ayan ang aming mga bagahe. Pipikapin na namin. At lalabas na rin kami. At yan ang aming mga sundo. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Thank you for watching sa aking vlog na ito na Philippine to Japan. Malamig sa Japan. Ito hindi pa umuulan yun. Bye-bye!